everyone, how is it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time you're here on this channel, please go ahead and hit on that notification bell while you're turning on the subscription. And while you're at it as well and you're going through this video, just go ahead and hit on the like button. Alright, it's free guys, remember it's free. So go ahead and hit on that thumbs up. Yes, of course. First of all, let me apologize for my nails. Yes, I know. They are due to be done, alright? However, your girl made a little mistake. And while I'm doing this video, I'm going to tell you what was the mistake, alright? However, that's not a big deal, alright? So, let's get into the real deal now. Alright, so this is my very first video that I am going to be doing while I am budgeting. Yes guys, I'm on this budgeting journey and I tell you I am trying my very best. I'm holding on. I hope and pray that I'm able to carry on with this journey. Alright, so I am going to try my best to budget for you. Alright, yes. I am so excited about this journey that I am now on, and I am over the top with it. Alright guys, so this is the very first cash that I do have for the month of February. Alright, now this is a side hustle which I did, and I do have that cash coming in, so I am going to be budgeting for it today. Alright, now I have my little book here. Remember I told you I'm going to be using this as my little savings journal while I'm on this journey. And then I have my tablet here, which I am going to be using as my calculator. And then of course I have my trustworthy little budgeting sheet here, which I am going to be using for my ruler. Guys, don't judge me, okay? Do not judge me. Alright, so let us jump into this real quick. Alright, I have bookmarked it using this nice loud orange color here, which says February 2022. And then I went ahead and I wrote live, love, and laugh. Yeah, because it's February. And February because Valentine's is in February and all of those things. So yeah, just add in a little live, love, and laugh in that. Alright, and on this side here I went ahead and I wrote February budget week 1 and week 2. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, let me get my pen out from this side here. Alright, so I am right-handed, so let me just flip this over a little bit so I'm able to write properly. Alright, so here I'm going to have the description. Alright, so I'm gonna have the description here, and then here I am going to put week 1, and the amounts I'm getting, or I have for week 1, it's 175. Yeah, 175 for week 1, and then I'm going to have week 2. And for week 2, I am not sure exactly how much I'm going to be getting for week 2, but when that time comes, then I will go ahead and put the amount up top there. Alright, and I hope everything that I am going to be budgeting for can hold on this paper here. I doubt it, but if anything, I can go ahead and put it on the other side there. Alright, cool. And you see my ruler, it's working out for me. My straight edge. It is working out for me. Alright, so there we have it, all rolled up and stuff. So now I'm going to go ahead and start putting down my items that I need to write here. Alright, so for my bills, for the bills which I have, let me just write bills here, and then I'll put a 2 line there. Alright, so I do have my rent. All right, then I have, this is ongoing, so I'm gonna put Amazon Prime. All right, and then I also have my taxi, or some people might have Uber, so let me put Uber for those of you who might have Uber. All right, so that is for the very first one which I have. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to write this now. So for week one, I am not going to be budgeting any rent in week one. All right, but I am going to be taking out the Amazon Prime from that. So let me just go ahead and bring up this calculator. All right, now guys, so we are going to be starting with 175, which I told you about. For rent, I am not going to be budgeting rent in this first hustle. All right, I'm going to have the Amazon Prime, which I need, and the Amazon Prime, it's $14 per month. All right, so I'm gonna put that there. And then for Uber or taxi, as we might call it, it is $40. All right, so let me just go ahead and just do this at the same time. So it's 175, and I'm going to minus the 14, which leave me with 161, and then I'm going to minus the 40. So that is going to leave me with 121. So that is my total for this here. So that's 121, and then I'm going to go down now to my expenses. So let me write expenses, and what I might have for mine, it might be different from yours, and the way in which I set up mine, it might also be different from how you would do yours. All right, and the categories in which you would put yours might be even different from the categories I'm going to use for mine. So remember, everyone does their budget according to their liking. The other one I'm going to have is birthday. Yes, I love my birthday. I love going all out for my birthday. And then like maintenance. Yeah, maintenance. You know, the nails have to be kept and the hair have to be kept. And then I'm gonna have shopping. And then I have gifts. Yeah, because my cousin's birthday is coming up and I would really and truly love to do something for her. Now I have to open the book again. All right. Think I might have to change you from over there for now and put you right here. Come on, cooperate now. There you go. All right. So what I'm gonna do the same thing here. So I'm gonna have description, and then I'm gonna have week 1 and week 2. All right, and then same treatment using my straight edge. I'm gonna use my trusted straight edge here. Oops, it shifted, guys. Nevertheless, still gonna make it work. All right, and then let me just do one going across there. All right, awesome. All right, so the last one I had over here was gifts, and then I'm gonna have miscellaneous, and then I'm going to have personal. All right, cool. So that is for my sinking fund. All right, so now to start the sinking fund, I am going to be having 100. Did we see over here 111? All right, so for the 111 now, I hope I'm doing it correctly, guys. I hope so. All right, for bills, each of these sinking funds, I'm just going to give them $2. All right, just to be on the safe side and just to say I am starting somewhere. All right, so each of them, they are just going to be getting $2, and it doesn't matter how much you're putting in, guys. All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to total this up and then I'm going to put it right here. All right, so now it's 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20. So the total for this is 20. So now I am going to be taking away 20. So it's 111, and I'm going to take away 20 from that, and that is now going to leave me with a total of 91. All right, so that's 91. So now I'm going to move down now. So let me write the 91 here, and I'm going to circle the 91. All right, so that's what I'm going to be starting with. Now the next thing which I'm going to do now is my savings. All right, so these are the saving challenges. Savings challenge. So now with the savings challenge, I have the Valentine's Day. Yes, guys, remember I told you about the Valentine's Day, which I am going to be doing. So with the Valentine's Day, I am going to be putting, let me see, because I don't want to be writing down stuff and then it's not adding up. All right, so Valentine's Day, I think I want to put $60. All right, so let me see, 91 minus $60. So that's going to leave me with 31. So that's not bad. All right, and then let me see, I have also Christmas. So for Christmas, for the Christmas channel, I'm always saying channel. For the Christmas challenge, which you would have seen in the video as well, which I did earlier, I am going to be putting $20. So I'm going to, from the 31 minus 20, right? And then that leaves me with $11. Now this $11, what could I put this to? Oh, yeah, to my 100 envelopes. All right, so I have $11 left over here now. So, and I think I have a $11 spot, so I could put that $11 in there. Yes, that looks like it. And then 11 minus 11 leaves me with a whopping big 0. All right, guys, so let me go ahead and add this up. So this should give us a grand total of $91. So that's 60 plus 20 plus 11, $91. All right, and then the balance which I have here should be 0. Yes, so that is the balance. All right, awesome. So this is a zero base budget which I just did, guys, and this is my very first budget which I did, and I am so happy about it, guys. Now please do not think because you're seeing it on the paper here it was the easiest thing to do. No, it was not. It was so very hard for me to do. And listen, remember, because it's the first time I was doing it, I was getting so flustered, but I said, listen, no, not at all. No, Ali, you can do this. You can do this. And here we are. So this is my first ever budget for January 2022 on my savings journey. And I hope and pray that this is going to help me to save some money. All right. And guys, as I told you just before you go, right, as I told you earlier on that you were to excuse my nails. Now let me tell you something. And this is why I know that I am very serious about my savings now. My nails, they need to get done. You see all these little chips which are there? Yes, I said, oh, I'm going to be doing my nails and stuff like that. And then when I got the funds from my side hustle, I was like, yeah, let me go and do my nails. Then I'm like, no, remember, you're on a journey. And guess what, guys? I budgeted, but I did not remember to put my nails in the budget. And I was so tempted to just go and just do my nails. But I said, you know what? No, I am holding myself accountable, and so are you guys who are here. Although you did not know that I was going to be doing a budget video, right? But I want to share this journey with you guys, and as such, I said, no, I am not going to go into this 175 which I just budgeted out. I said, no, I'm going to wait until the next time that I have some cash. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to budget in my nails in that. All right. Well, I'm not going to try. I am going to be budgeting my nails in that. All right. So that is why you're still seeing these nails. Yeah, I think they need to go too. I'm getting really annoyed of them. So I think you have a few more videos to see me with these horrible looking nails before I do them. But the nails is the least of the problem right now. The thing is that just save, all right? And that's what I am going to be doing, guys. So that's it for me today. Yeah, that's my little budgeting there for you. My very first budgeting here on the channel. All right, guys. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for bearing with me, and I hope I did a good job, all right, with my little side hustle and budgeting $175. All right. So right now, I'm going to be signing out. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying peace, take care, and walk good. Bye. Bye. Bye.